In this my wallet, there is no USDT TRC20. If you search, you look through now, you see that I do not have USDT TRC20. But in this video, I'm going to add it by copying the contract address. So if you do not know how to copy USDT TRC20 contract address and add it to your Trust wallet, watch me step by step. Let me do that now and add it to my wallet so you learn how to do that. So let's go there. There are two methods of doing this. The first method is by clicking on Manage Crypto. You go down or click here to search for USDT TRC20. Then when you search for USDT, you go down and look for the one that is for Theta. So look for the Theta logo, that is the Tron logo. Once you see the one that bears the Tron logo, then you click on it and add it to your wallet. I'm not seeing USDT TRC20. So assuming I saw USDT TRC20 over here, I would have toggled it on like this, but I can't find USDT TRC20 here. So the next thing I will do here is to go and search for the contract address for USDT TRC20 and add it to my wallet. So on that note, what I will do is to click on this plus icon over here. So you click on this plus and you select Tron network. The network here is Tron. So I click here to select Tron over here. Then I now select TRC20. So select TRC20. Then go ahead and search for the contract address, put it here, and the name, symbol, and decimals will appear automatically. So let me show you how to import the USDT contract address into your Trust wallet. So let's go to coinmarketcap.com now, so that this is a trusted website where we can copy a legit TRC20 network, because if you copy randomly online, your phones might get lost. So let's go to coinmarketcap.com. So here is coinmarketcap.com, and the USDT that we're looking for is here on the home page. So all you have to do is to click on this USDT. So go ahead and click on it now and look for the contract address. So you come over here and see contracts. Now in this place, there is a Ethereum contract. There are so many other contracts because this coin is listed across many networks. Now click on it now. You're going to see the many networks that this coin is bridged across. So you select the one that is for Tron network, that is TRC20, right? Once you see it, you click on copy. So this is the one for Tron, as you can see over here. Then you click on this icon over here to copy the contract address for TRC20. So I'll go ahead and click on this. Now I have copied the contract address. So let's go back to the Trust wallet and paste this. Now I have come to my Trust wallet now, and you can see I see maintain TRC. I have to click on the network Tron. We have Tron here. Make sure you select TRC20, then click on paste, and you see that the symbol, the name Theta will appear, and the symbol USDT will appear, and decimal will appear automatically. So when you click on import right now, USDT TRC20 will be in our Trust wallet automatically. As you can see now, even all the transactions that I have made previously have appeared. That is also what you do if you do not have money on the wallet. Once you do this, if you have money on the wallet and you removed it from your Trust wallet, when you add it again, it will appear. You can do this, you can remove it from your wallet when you want to hide maybe your money from your partner or someone. You can hide your money by deleting it on your wallet. Later on, you can add it again, and your money and all the transactions will appear again. So what you have to do now, if you want to receive any money on this wallet, you go ahead and click on receive, and you copy your contract address. In case you do not know how to copy your Trust wallet contract, if you do not know how to copy your wallet address for USDT TRC20, click on this and you copy your USDT TRC20 Trust Wallet and use it to receive money from someone. I believe you enjoyed watching this video and you got a lot of value. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to this channel for more crypto tutorials, and copy the link and share with your friends so that they too will learn how to add USDT TRC20 to their Trust Wallet. As you can see there, I have it over here. If there is any question you still have concerning this tutorial, let me know in the comment section and I will not hesitate to answer you. Now there is another thing I want to let you understand here concerning how to make transfer. In case you want to send money from your Trust Wallet to, if you want to send USDT TRC20 from this Trust Wallet to somebody, what you will do, there is a mistake that happens here and there is an error that many beginners run to, but I'll show you how to fix it. When you want to withdraw money from your Trust Wallet, click on USDT if that is what you want to withdraw, and you go ahead and click on send. But if you do not have Tron, you will not be able to send money out of this wallet. So make sure you have TRX, because it will tell you do not have enough TRX for the transaction. You must have TRX for you to be able to send or withdraw USDT TRC20 from your Trust Wallet. So what you'll have to do is to click on TRX and then click on receive. You click on receive, then you copy this Tron wallet and then go to Binance and buy TRX and then withdraw it and send to this address. It will now be in your Trust Wallet. If you cannot do that, you send your TRX wallet to somebody to fund you with minimum of 20 TRS and sometimes up to 30 TRS depending on the fee. Then you can now come back and click on USDT, right? Click on USDT TRC20 and then click on send. When you click on send, you will now tell the person you want to send the USDT to give you his or her receiver address. Then when you copy the receiver address, or you go to the wallet where you want to send this crypto to and copy the receiver address, then paste it over here, then put the amount of USDT you want to send and it will be sent. The TRX that you have in your wallet will be used as a transaction fee. But if you do not have any TRX in your wallet, this transaction will not work. So many people have run into this kind of problem, but I believe this tutorial has helped someone out there to be able to make withdrawal from Trust Wallet. So with this video, I believe you have learned how to copy USDT TRC20 contract address and also how to make withdrawal from your Trust Wallet. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and copy the link and share with your friends so that they too will learn. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.